Hey guys, this is Lars with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This boat is an outboard model. You have a nice 150 Merc back there. Nice transom walkthrough. Under there is the batteries. Under here you also have a big storage area. Put a lot of stuff down there. Now we do have an area, this actually just has the canvas in it, but to be used as an insulated cooler. Storage over here as well. Here at the helm, got a nice Simrad display. As well as we have a fusion radio here, some switching, and your engine controls there. Over on the port side, you have a lockable glove box. And under here, you have a nice storage area. This boat is equipped with the premium stereo upgrade, so it has a subwoofer there, nice touch. And up here, we have our bow seating. And underneath, we do have storage under both these seats as well. Again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. This was the Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. If you have any questions, give us a call at 609-494-2102. All right, thank you.